Hello everybody, this is Dr. Yao. I hope everybody's doing well. Stay healthy and safe. I want to say I miss you guys a lot. I couldn't wait to see you soon. So start from this unit, we will learn the circle and we will learn from the video. So I know this is challenging for everybody. It's the same for me as well. So this is my first video. I hope it will help you learn, and if you have any feedbacks, feel free to email me. Alright, so for this unit, since as I mentioned, we will learn the circle. So first of all, from your past knowledge, you're supposed to know the two important formula about the circle. One is circumference. So for the circumference, there are basically two formulas for the circumference. One is 2 pi r. So pi, usually we can put 3.14, or you could leave as a pi term. R represent for radius, and it's also equal to pi d. D, which is the diameter. So as we know here, 2r equal d. Okay, 2r equal d. So that's why we have 2 pi r equal pi d. Alright? So this is the formula of circumference, and the other formula is about the area of circle, which is pi r square. Pi r square. Okay? So those are the formulas we should remember. And the next one, which we're going to use those two formulas to find the circumference, the example. So here, as we know, this is r. Okay, this is r. So r equal 11 m. So c we can represent for circumference, and that's equal 2 pi r. So we plug into the number here. That's going to be 2 times pi times 11. So combined like term will be 22 pi meters. So as I said, you can leave the pi term there. Okay, you don't have to put it into the 3.14 then. Okay, next one is the example, find the area. So in this example, we don't have any picture, and we only have circumference, which is 4 pi. So from the circumference, as we know, c equal 2 pi r. From the circumference, we can find r, which is the radius, right? So we plug into the numbers. 4 pi equal 2 pi r. So in this way, we divided 2 pi on both sides. So we will have divided by 2 pi. So cancel. That means 2 equal r. So when we find the radius, then we will have no problem find the area based on the area formula, right? So the area formula will be A equal pi r square. So from pi r square, so we will have equal pi time, because r equal 2, so it's 2 square. That's going to be equal 4 pi. Okay? Alright. So next one is some like vocabulary. And we want to know the definition. First of all, is the central angle. So for the central angle, as you see, this is a circle. This is a circle, okay? So from this circle, as we know, point B, we call it center, right? This is the center point B, right here. So if there's an angle, the vertex is the center of the circle, then we call this angle is the central angle. Okay, as long as the vertex is the center, and the arc, which is an unbroken part of a circle. So for this one, the same circle right here, you will see the, so consider like 2 points on a circle, and all the points on the circle between them. Basically, it's what we call arc. We have point A here. All the points from point A to point C. So we connect them. That's going to be this arc, which I highlight in red. Okay, in red. So this is what we call arc. And the way we write it, we have is right here. Arc AC, the 2 endpoints. The similar thing as we named the segment, like segment AB, right? So we from one endpoint to the other endpoint, and there's a bar on the top. So arc is a little bit, you have to a little bit circle here, okay? Curve, I mean. So there's 2 types of arc. One is a minor arc. Minor arc basically is less than 180 degree. Okay? And the major arc is usually greater than 180 degree. And as you see, if you want to express a major arc, you need 3 letters. Minor arc, 2. So this is 2 letters, this is 3 letters. Okay? And the same thing, if you use 3 letters, you need the 3 points on the arc to name it. Alright? So this is the 2 type of arcs. Major arc and minor arc. Major is bigger, minor is smaller. And then, right here, so another thing you should know, if the endpoint of 2 arcs lie on the diameter, the arc is semicircle. This is easy to understand. If this arc is like this, so let's say this is E, this is F, so that's a semicircle. Everybody knows that. Okay, a semicircle, which is 180 degree, because the total of circle is 360. Half is 180. Okay, so next one, which I just want to introduce addition postulates. As we learned the same for the arc addition postulate, the segment addition postulate, which is, for example, we have a segment. This is A, B, and C is somewhere here. Then we have the segment AC plus segment CB equals segment AB, right? So this one plus this one equal the whole thing. So the similar postulate of the arc, which is arc ABC is the big one here, equal arc measure of M represent for measure. So measure arc AB, this one, plus measure arc BC. BC is this one. Okay? So, of course, they have the same length of arc. So, that's why they add up equal the total, which is trunk plus trunk equal total. Similar thing. Okay? So, next, which is the sector of a circle. Basically, the sector of a circle is a region bounded by two radius of the circle and their intersected area arc. So it's an area. Basically, I can say is this part. We call it sector. Okay. So the area of a sector, we want to find the part I shade is pi r squared. As you know, this is the area of a circle, right? This is the area. This is the area. Of circle. Okay. And time m, which is basically the degree of the arc divided by 360. Okay, based on this formula, let's see the question here. We want to find the sector, the area of sector CDE, which is this one. Okay, so area equal pi r squared. Pi, we just plug into the formula r, which is 6 squared. Parenthesis m, which is right here. This is equal m. 70 degree over 360. Okay, then I simplify. That's pi times 6 times 6, 36. This one will be times 7 over 36. I cancel like 0. And then that's equals 36. We cancel it out. That's even 7 pi. Don't forget the unit, which is centimeter square, because this is the area. Okay. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. So the last but not the latest is the arc length. So for the arc length, we have the area as well. We have formula as well. So the formula, the arc length is basically, we are looking for this one. The length of this. Okay, the length of this part. This is the formula of the circumference of a circle. Remember that, 2 pi r? And you also multiply m over 360. So now it's kind of a shortcut to remember the area of sector and the arc length. Area of a sector basically is the area of a circle, which is pi r squared times m over 360. And the arc length is the circumference of circle, which is 2 pi r times m over 360. So you see, they all times m over 360. That's a shortcut to remember that. All right. So based on this formula, let's see this one, which is 2L equal 2 times pi times r, which is 18, times 110 over 360. So you simplify that, the answer will be 11 pi, and the unit is inch. So because this is length, so this is gonna be the same unit as this. All right. So that's all, cause my time is almost there, and I hope this video help you on this unit circle, this circle unit, and I will post more practice on Schoology as well. All right. Have a good day.